In the subject digital marketing as examined by the Zambia Institute of Marketing, students are expected to know and understand the website development process, which is a very important skill 2024-2025 moving forward. What you see on the screen right now is a dummy website that I created, which allows a user to be able to check on available events. In this particular case, there's only one event that is available and information relating to that particular event. In this case, there's the date, there's the time, there's the venue, there's the price, and also the available tickets. So there's 100 tickets. The user can proceed to book a ticket. So let's proceed. You go to book tickets, and how many tickets does this user want to buy? Say you want to buy 2 tickets. Confirm booking. The summary of your payment is going to be presented before the payment is actually done. In this case, the event is the Zim Start of the Year event, the date, the venue, the price. So you do take notice that the price here is $30. Whilst on the previous page, the price was in kwacha. Very important to take note of some of these errors, because the information that you place on all your socials must be passed through a quality assurance system to ensure that information is correct. So here it's in dollars. On the previous page, it was in kwacha. Fine. Take note of that because we will make a correction of that. The number of tickets, 2, and the total cost, $60 in kwacha. Okay, so it will be 60 kwacha. So what happens then? The user can proceed to make a payment. But once they do that, notice that they're going to get this particular notification. This particular notification has a message. Please enter a valid mobile number. That's fine. We skip this particular part, and so we're going to enter a mobile number. 09669302260. That's my number. So, okay, fine. And proceed to make payment. Payment processed successfully. You will receive a notification. You will receive a confirmation shortly. Very important, because for this particular payment to go through, there is need to integrate with a payment platform. It could be mobile money. It could be Visa. It could be whatever platform is available. Students need to understand the customer journey. Learning how to develop a website in this particular case and for this particular subject is only going to be briefly of a topic. We will not get into the details. I will introduce you to the technologies just for you to understand and appreciate them. And should you want to proceed further, it's up to you. You will proceed into learning about HTML if you so wish, into learning about cascading style sheets if you so wish, and into programming. On this particular website, there is programming involved. And it is the programming, for example, that makes sure that the information is displayed here. Why? Because there's a source. This particular information, for it to display here, it means that there is a source where this information is stored. It could be a database, or in this particular case, I did not use a database. I could have used a database, but I did not use a database. I simply used a flat file. So let me show you how the file actually looks. I'm going to go to my dashboard. What I have done is I actually converted this particular laptop into a server. Now this is very important. So take note that every gadget that is being used is a client machine. Every gadget that's being used is a client. And all these particular gadgets are all depending on one source, and this is the website. So a website is but a platform. On that particular platform, multiple programs can run. I'll repeat that. A website is a platform, and on that particular platform, multiple programs can run on that particular platform. It could be a program which allows you to subscribe to a newsletter, a program that allows you to unsubscribe to a newsletter, a program that allows you to create an account, a program that allows you to reset your password. All those are applications. So let me show you how the files actually look. And in fact, what I'm also going to do is I'm going to add additional events. So I will come right here on my laptop, right click this, and this is an application that I'm using. It's called Easy PHP. It allows you to convert your laptop into a server. Pretty cool, pretty cool. All right, so I'm going to go right to my files right over here. You know, don't really. You'll be able to follow through when we actually start the lesson. So I'm interested in the ticketing application, and it's right over here. I'm just going to select all these, and I'm going to open these using a program called Notepad++. Notepad++. So this is the program right here. So the three files that make that particular website possible are this file called the HTML. It's an HTML file. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. You will learn that in digital marketing, and you should know that in digital marketing. And I'm going to teach you that in digital marketing. At least just a brief part of it. Then there's cascading style sheets, which basically shows you how it talks about how the design looks, okay? And then there's the JavaScript. Okay, let me just close these others, because these others, I don't need them in this particular case. There's this JavaScript file. So the events are here. This is where the information about the event is put, right over here. Okay, and remember, it said the Zim start of the year. All right, there it is. So let's say Zim start of the year party. All right, let's say Zim start of the year party. Okay, fine. So let's add additional events. Okay, let's add additional events right over here. So just copy that, and I'll just paste that here. And this is going to be event number 2. What event is it going to be? Okay, so let's call it say Madalas. Say Madalas. Madala's soccer game. All right, Madala's soccer game. Date, let's just leave that the way it is. Venue, okay, maybe let's change the venue. Let's say, what are we going to call the venue? Let's say Ndola Sports Club. I don't know if there is Ndola Sports Club, but let's just say Ndola Sports Club. All right, Ndola Sports Club, right over there. Price 30. Well, let's change it to 50. Okay, let's change the price to 50. Available tickets, let's make it 50 tickets. Okay, available tickets. Yeah, all right. Okay, so this is going to be additional information. It's just, you need to always save that. If you don't save it, the customer, when they access your website, they will still find the old information. That's one of the things that you need to do. Make sure you save your files when you have made any adjustments to the files. And sometimes the customer will call you despite you having changed. The customer may still be able to only find the old information. Ask the customer to refresh. All right, so let's go back to our site. Here it is. Let's refresh this. Available tickets, we should have a second available ticket. All right, so notice that sometimes even after refreshing, it does not show. All right, so let's just go to the file to make sure that the information we entered is correct and we did not have any errors. Let's see that. All right, okay. All right, so here's what we need to do over here. We need to put the comma right over there instead. And it does matter, but this is skills that you will learn at your own time. Skills that you will learn at your own time. You're not going to learn that in digital marketing, all right? So I keep on refreshing this because nothing's happened. All right, so I'm going to go to my, you need to sometimes ask the customer to clear their cache. All right, so clear browsing history right over there. And I'm going to clear that, clear data. All right, delete data. That's okay, part of the process. All right, cool, there it is. So the second event has now popped up. Now this is very important. When you take your customer service teams, you need to take them through not only customer service in terms of the how to speak good English and how to resolve a problem. They must also be trained on some technical aspects of a particular website or whatever application it is. So now there's a second event, and we could add a third one. Okay, fine. Let's add a third one. We'll go back to our program. Just add one more. Just one more. All right. We'll add the third one. Just one more. Let's see. Just going to copy that. Copy that. Add third one. All right. It's going to be event number 3. What's this event going to be? Let's call this your maps party. All right, so let's call it your maps party. The date, let's just leave the date and the venue. Okay, maybe we could change the venue a bit. Let's change the venue to say Levy. Yeah, Levy More. All right, Levy More. Tickets price, let's put it at 200 kwacha. All right, 200 kwacha. Okay, Levimore, the price 200 kwacha, available tickets. All right, fine. This is the way it is. Okay, so we'll add the third event. You need to save that. Go back to the website. Okay, refresh that. Let's see, yeah, and the third event shows up. This is the way it's supposed to be. But this technical part of web development is not what exactly is covered completely in digital marketing. I am simply showing you the possibilities. Should you have an interest in developing those interests further, for example, HTML for you to be able to develop a website, CSS for you to be able to style the website, JavaScript for you to write programs that run on that particular program, you can take that particular interest further. That is what I did. And that's how come I'm able to create a website like this one and even explain it and teach it like I'm teaching you. Digital marketing is actually very, very interesting, especially when it is brought to life. But that's not just it. It is not only about the technical part of it. It is also about the customer journey. When the customer clicks here, all right, they should be able to enter the number of tickets that they want to purchase, say 3 tickets. All right, they want to confirm booking. Then they realize that they actually need to buy 5 tickets. Notice that on this particular site, the customer cannot go back. There must be a provision for a customer to be able to go back. And therefore, when designing a website, the customer journey must be taken into consideration. Additionally, you must take into consideration consumer behavior. Consumer behavior. Let me take you back to the event booking. So when you say available tickets, the customer may think, it means people are not buying tickets, and the customer may not want to buy. So you therefore may decide to omit this particular section of the website. You may decide to omit that. It's entirely up to you. But these are some of the topics that we speak about and address when we actually deal with digital marketing. My name is Savoy. I invite you to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Captain37, and also follow my Facebook page, Marketing Study in Zambia. I also invite you to join my classes. Goodbye.